Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to put in your referral code if you simply missed the pop-up or you forgot or you simply don't have one. Now if you don't have one, you can use my referral code. It is XHP4P and you can get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2 on your first scan. So y'all, before we begin, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you did scan a receipt and it went through, you will not be able to add a referral code. You can only do this before you scan your receipt for the first time, but you can still follow along if you want to. Okay, so once you open up your app, you'll see that mine is fairly new. I only have 125 points. I got those points by answering simple questions like what is my favorite brand, those type of questions. I didn't scan anything yet, so just wanted to let y'all know that. You're going to press me at the bottom right corner, and you should scroll down and see refer a friend with the little blue next to it. You're going to press that. You should see the pop-up at the bottom that says enter a referral code, and you should click that, and you're going to enter your referral code. If your friend didn't give you one, or if you don't have one, you can use mine. It is XHP4P. Again, that is XHP4P. You can use my code, and now once you enter it, it should say success. And now when you go to scan your first receipt, you'll get your 2,000 points then. Alright, see, that's what I'm doing here. Well, this is the end of the video. Let me know if y'all use my code. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Let me know if I helped you. And yeah, guys, the link will be in my description, so you can go ahead and check that out. And thank y'all so much for watching.